Hey guys, have you ever wished you could make an AI speak in your exact voice, your accent, your intonation? Well, in this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how you can clone your voice using ElevenLabs. And ElevenLabs is probably one of the best AI voiceover tools in the internet. Whether you just want to create voiceovers after your voice, audiobooks, or probably just prank your friends, right? With maybe cloning their voice and all that stuff. This video, I'll teach you how to do all that. Meanwhile, before I start this video, I would love to give a quick disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. Please do not use knowledge gotten from this video for illegal purposes. So with that said, stick around till the end of this video, because by the end of this video, you're going to hear an AI version of my voice reading some hilarious sentences. So why not? Let's dive in. I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So you just click on the link to go over to ElevenLabs.io. But I'm already on ElevenLabs.io and you can see their pricing list over here. But unfortunately, for the voice cloning feature, we cannot use the free version because they don't have the feature included in the free version. But you can look up to the starter version right here, which is $5 per month. And the more exciting thing with ElevenLabs is that if you're new to ElevenLabs, they are gonna give you this $5 per month plan for just $1. So if you're new to ElevenLabs, just go over here and you can click on get started, and at the end of the day you end up paying just $1. So you can go ahead and get the plan. I've already gotten my plan, so I'm gonna head into my account and then let me show you how to do this. And right here is my account dashboard, and you can see I already have this amount of credit right here. And you might be thinking if I really use it or not. Well, that's a talk for another day, right? So when you log into your ElevenLabs dashboard, you're gonna want to click on the voices right here. So I click on the voices, and over here you're going to see the instant voice clone feature right here. And you can see that due to the plan I have the opportunity to use the professional voice cloner, but I'm not going to use that in this video. Let me just simply teach you how to use the instant voice clone. So I'm going to click on the instant voice clone. And here we have an option to drag and drop any audio or video file. So all what you're going to do if you want to clone yourself is make a quick audio recorder, just speak a lot of things, dummy text and all that. Then you're going to want to drag the audio file in here, or you can click and select the audio file from your computer. It can as well be a video file, right? What you need to make sure is that you have a very quiet background, or if you have to edit the audio to achieve a quiet background, it will allow for more accuracy on the voice cloning. The more noise, the lesser the accuracy, and the lesser the noise, the more the accuracy. So I've already made a pre-recording before I started the video, so I'm gonna just drag in the audio file in here. I already have the audio file, as you can see, and you just want to make sure that your audio file is not, let me just head back. You're going to want to make sure that your audio or video file is not more than 10 megabytes. And over here from my audio file, you can see that my audio file is simply, that's just 2.77 megabytes, right? I just want to drag in the audio file over here. And you can see that my audio file is now here, Lemon Squeezy. That's just a random name which I gave my audio file. So I'm going to click on next. Here I pretty much want to give it a name, right? So let's give it a name. Let's say the name is My Clone Voice. You can give it any name you wish to give it. And for the language is obviously English language. So I'm going to select English. You can add a description. Let's just say My AI Voice Clone. I mean, it's not necessary, right? Here, I can just, of course, I have to agree to their terms and conditions, and I'll click on Save Voice. Now, when you're done with that, you're going to want to click on the Voices option once again. And from here, you go ahead and click on My Voices. And here, guys, you can see my cloned voice over here. Now, to use that, let's go ahead and click on this icon right here, Use Voice. And guys, from this dashboard, any text that you type or paste in right here, it's gonna read it in your own voice. I mean, in this case, in my own voice. So let me go ahead and paste in a dummy text that I just copied from ChatGPT, right? And then right here, I'm gonna click on Generate Speech. So let's see if it's gonna actually generate this speech to read it in my own voice.
When life gives you lemons, squeeze them into a water gun and surprise your friends. I once tried to count sheep to fall asleep, but they kept jumping over the fence out of order. The word Q is just the letter Q followed by 4 silent letters.
Wait, bro, did you see that? I mean, that's literally my voice, like my own voice. This could be your own voice. This could be your uncle's voice. Don't tell anyone. You can see how crazy this is, guys. I mean, you can use it for a prank a friend. If you're a content creator, it could actually come in very handy. You can use this in place of your own voice. I mean, if you're too busy or if your background is too noisy, you can just find a clear background quickly to make an audio sample, upload it over here, and it's going to clone your voice. And you don't need to worry about making voiceovers again. Just type in your text and of course it's going to read it in your own voice. And also remember, do not misuse this opportunity. This is an opportunity that is meant to make life easier for us. Please do not use it the negative way. That's where I draw the curtains for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. You're welcome to the community. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.